The ostrich, the world's largest bird, towers at up to 9 feet tall, with powerful legs that can sprint at 45 miles per hour. In contrast, the wandering albatross boasts the largest wingspan of any bird, stretching over 12 feet, allowing it to glide effortlessly across oceans. While ostriches roam the savannas of Africa, albatrosses soar the winds of the Southern Ocean. Both species have fascinating feeding behaviors. Ostriches are omnivores, munching on plants and insects, while albatrosses rely on their keen eyesight to spot fish from high above. Socially, ostriches form tight-knit groups, while albatrosses are known for their long-term monogamous bonds. Sadly, both face conservation challenges, habitat loss for ostriches and fishing threats for albatrosses. Their roles in ecosystems are vital, with ostriches helping to maintain grassland health and albatrosses indicating ocean health. These remarkable adaptations highlight their importance and the need for conservation efforts.